realize this, but you're about to walk into a whole mess of danger.
Look at this. The unicorn. What secrets do you hold?
How could you let them escape?
That young man, what's his name?
That's Tintin.